Hello guys, welcome to Tech Genius Studio. Today we will start the MS Word lecture series. In this series we will go from beginner to advanced level learning of MS Word. This is lecture 1 and in which we will study the introduction of the MS Word. First of all, you will go to the search bar and type MS Word. As you can see, I used 2016 MS Word. So when you click on open, it will open MS Word, in which you will see this window, and this is the recent files that I have used it before. Other than this, if you want to open any other document, you can click it from here. These are the templates that you can use it if you want to make a party invitation or a letterhead or service or calendar or any other things like menu of the any restaurant, etc. So you can use any of the templates. Other than this, if you want to use any other templates that you like, so you can search for the online templates. So we will go for a blank document. This is the blank document. Here it is the page that you can minimize or maximize. This is the whole page of our document. So here you can write anything as you want. For this we will write, for example, some paragraph about time. So this is the time paragraph. Okay, before going to editing a document, we will learn the basics of this MS Word. So as you can see, these three buttons are control buttons, which consist of a close button, the window, split window, or minimize or maximize. This is the minimize that goes. Okay, this one is the ribbon display option. That this is basically this is the ribbon. If you want to show or hide the ribbon, or you can use it. Show tabs, auto hide ribbon, show tabs and commands. This is the title bar, in which consists of the title. As you can see that by default it is written document 2, but if I want to save it and name it in a specific name, so I will write it. It will be visible here. And this is the Word file. Okay, this one is the quick access toolbar, which you can save or go back or refresh or something. Customize quick access toolbar. This is the tabs that we will study further. That in these tabs we can edit the document. This one is the file tab, in which you can see that this is the information. New tab, open any other document, you can save it. You can save as, which means you can save your document in a particular file and name it as you want. This is the print. This is the share, if you want to share your document, if you want to export your file, and if you want to close it, this is the close button. Accounts, for example, if you want to make your Word document with a specific account, you can do it. As you can see, this is the B account that I use. These are the options that you can settings. This is for example, if you want to make a specific setting on the Word, so you can do it with this one. And this is it for the file. These are the these are the previous files that I have used. If you want to open any of them, you can by clicking it. So the next one is home. A home tab, in which it consists of a ribbon. The ribbons are having groups. These are composed of groups, which you can see that the first one is clipboard group, this is the font group, this is the paragraph group, and these are the styles group, and this is the editing groups. Okay, so in styles group we can see there are many styles that you can make the changes with your documents. So first of all, in this document we are having, this is the ribbon. Okay, sorry, this is the it shows this the margin of the page, and this is the vertical one, that it shows that the margin of the page is this much, and the document starts from here, the typing. So in this document we need a title. So if you want to add a title, for example, this document is about time, so I want to write time and make it the top title. So by selecting it, this is for title, so you can use from the styles that this is a title. But if you want to customize your this document and you don't like this title one, so you can change the font size from here. Okay, and this is the minimize. Other than this, you can select the degree or the size from here. This lowest size is 8 and the greatest size is 72. This is the fonts. As you can see, I use Calibri Light, but if you want to select any other font, you can select it from here. There are many fonts that you can select as per your wish. For right now, I will use the Arial Black, or maybe Times New Roman, which suits more. I will make it center. Okay, you can take the center from here, and if you want to start it align right, so you can do it like this. But right now, I need to make it center. These are the These are the bullets that you can use. You can create a list by these bullets. There are many other type of bullets that you can use in your document. And if you want to make define a new bullet, so you can use it by clicking it here. These are the numbering one that you can use. There are different types of numbering that you can use for a list. And if you want to make a different type of numbering, so you can use it from here. This is the multi-level list of this paragraph, so you can use it here. If you want to make a multi-level list, for example, if I'm having heading 1 and inside heading 1 I'm having another multiple headings, so I can use it use the multi-level list from here. So okay, the basic things that I need for my this document is I think enough. And now we will go to this one, font. If you want to make a for example, if you want to make this time a little bigger, you can use it from here. If you want to make it bold, you can do it by here, from here. You can make your text bold from here. And for example, I want to make if I want to make it to be focused, for example, I want the users to focus on fundamental, so I will make it bold, or I can make it italicize your text, so it will become italic. And if you want to make it underline, so you can underline. And in the underline option, you have the many other lines that you can underline it, for example, like this, or none, more underline. And if you want to make the underline any other color, so you can use it from here. For example, if I underline it yellow or brownish color or simple red, so I can use it like this. If I want to change the underline style, so thick underline is here, double underline is here, and there are dotted underlines and many more. Okay, for example, I would go for thick underline. So time is a fundamental aspect of human existence, like this. Okay, now if I want to make human cut the human, so I will use this one, that it will cut the text. Strike through, this is called strike through. Okay, these are for mathematics, that if you want, for example, x square subscription, and like it is also subscription, this type is very small letters just above the line of the text. Okay, for example, if I want to right here too, and this is x, so if I want to make this 2 a little smaller, for example, in mathematics we use x square, so you can use it here. For example, this one is, if I want to, okay, I just selected, that's why it is becoming small. For example, I want to use log 2. For this log 2, if I want to make this 2 a little smaller, so this is done. Okay, so this was the fonts. Okay, this is selected. Okay, now if you want to make the text effects in typography, so for example, I will type here Alex, and I will style it through this. First of all, let's make it center and the font a little bigger so that it could be more visible. Okay, I will make Alex like this. I think this one will be pretty better. Okay, so but if you don't want that, if you don't like any of this, you can customize your this text. For example, automatic is like black or any other color. This is the outline. Okay, this is the outline colors. No, if you don't like any of this color, you can use this standard color, or no color, or more colors. You can choose from. This is the all the colors you need for a text to be colored. The next one is the shadow. If I want to add a shadow on this, I can add. For example, I will add this shadow or this one. You can see it is a seems good, but if I don't want to make it outline, so no outline. Now this is pretty better. Next one is reflection. If you want to make the text reflection, okay, this is the reflection options, which one you want to use, so you can use it. The next one is glow. This is the glow of the text color. If you want to use, for example, you can see it here. Okay, you can see it here. This is the glow that I can use from here. More glow colors are here. This is the number style. For example, this as you can see, this is not a number, so I cannot use it. But there are many other options that you can practice and check it. This is the ligatures that you can see. These are the options for this style sets. These are the style sets that I have used. Now you can choose any of the styles. So this is it for the text and effects typography. Now we will move to the text highlight color. If you want to highlight your text, for example, I want to highlight historical, so I will simply click the highlight one. By default it is yellow, but I can choose any of the highlight colors, for example green, since it is not selected. So now if I select it, this will be green. Okay, this is the pen I have selected. I have taken the selection here. So on whatever text I will click, double click, it will highlight it. Okay. For example, I want to highlight this area, it will highlight this. Okay, so this was the highlight, and you can choose any of the highlighting color, or you can stop highlighting. Now this is stopped. Okay, so the next one is font color. For example, I want to change the color of this text, and I will choose yellow is quite bright. I will choose any other color, for example navy blue. Click OK, and you can see this is changed. If I make it more visible, I will make the, sorry for this one, I will make the font size a little larger so it could be more visible. So this is it for fonts, and these are the okay, this one is remaining. So organize, for example, I want to make this whole paragraph capitalized, so I will select change case. Okay, the change case is having many other options, for example sentence case, as this one is by default sentence case. So if I select sentence case, no change will be here, but if I select lowercase, all of them will be lowercase. Okay, sorry for now this one, lowercase, all of them will be lowercase. Okay, if I select uppercase, all of them will be uppercase. As you can see, I've selected time, so time is each element or each letter of the type time is capitalized. Capitalize each word. For example, if I select this whole paragraph and select capitalize each word, then the each word of this whole paragraph, even off and even single words, will be capitalized. Okay, this one is toggle case, which means the first letter will be small letter and the rest will be bigger or capital letter, like this. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so this is it. I will make it sentence case. So this was the font. This was the font group of this ribbon. We did a paragraph somehow, and this one is change the shading or the color. Okay, so if you want to color this whole paragraph, you can do it from here. If you don't like any of this color, you can select more colors anytime. Okay. Okay, one thing is missing. This is the standard colors. Okay, if you want to customize your color, so you can select from here, and these are the other colors that you can select any of them. Okay, these are the color model that RGB or HSL. These are the color model, and red, green, blue, these are the degrees. You can customize it from by any number by your choice. Okay, so this is like this. If I don't want any colors, I'll select white background or no color. Fine. Now moving to the next one, this is borders. For example, I want to add border on this paragraph, so I will add a border: bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border, all border, outside border, inside border, inside horizontal border. This is basically used for tables, but you can use it for paragraphs as well. View grid lines and draw table and border shading. These are the other options. Okay, so this is it. This is the style one. You can use any of the styles in your document. This one is the editing one, in which you are having find advanced find. Go to for example, I want to find time and replace time with space, for example. Okay, so I can use this one. For example, I want to find time and replace it with space. Okay, replace all or replace one time or find next, like this. Okay, but I will use it replace all. There are 13 replacements, which means that in this whole document there are 13 times times are called. So okay, now closing it, you can see that every where time is used, it is replaced with space. Okay, so this one is select all, select objects, select text with similar formatting, and select panel. This is it for this home tab. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Like and share, and let me know your comment. Thank you so much.